Hey, what's up, y'all? Classic Kev back with another episode, and honestly, y'all, probably the most important episode yet. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where's Bitcoin Bailey? Well, y'all, look, she just got off of work. She'll be here in a minute. Until then, I need to talk to you about a couple things. First of all, this is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and we cannot legally give you financial advice. And even if I were a financial advisor, or I could legally give you advice, I probably wouldn't do it anyway because you would just cry to me if you lost money. So anyway, I'm sure y'all are hearing about in the news, celebrities buying these NFTs, and you still don't even know what an NFT is. Well, y'all, if you know what skins are and like something like Fortnite, you know, the kids are buying these skins, that's a primitive version of an NFT. An NFT is just a digital collectible that you can own in the metaverse. So y'all, I know that's a wild concept. You're going to be able to own digital products in the metaverse. Like you could own a scene from your favorite movie. You could own your favorite song, and it can be verifiable on the blockchain. Now, think about it. At one time, you didn't have a Facebook, right? You didn't have an Instagram. You didn't have YouTube or a GPS app, and then one day you got them, and you didn't know how you lived without them. So on today's episode, we're going to talk about how to buy your first NFT. We are going to be using the website called Opensea.io. What Opensea.io is, y'all, that's just the eBay for NFTs. People go on there to buy, sell, and trade NFTs. So Bitcoin Bailey's actually just getting here now. So Bitcoin Bailey, back to regularly scheduled programming. Bitcoin Bailey, what you got for us?
What's up, y'all? Bitcoin Bailey. I'm excited to be back on Classic Kev's channel. Today we're going to talk about how to purchase your first NFT. There's so many NFT projects out there, guys. Finding one that appeals to you is really the first step, in my opinion. I'm going to try to make this as quick and simple as possible, so just bear with me. There's a few different platforms you can use to buy and sell. I used Opensea, so that's what we're going to be using today. Their platform is pretty easy to work, and it is the most popular right now. So if you do want to check them out, it is Opensea.io. The first thing that you're going to be doing is acquiring some Ethereum if you don't already have some. You can use a crypto exchange like Coinbase. That's what I used, and you can check my link out below. And if you trade $100, then you get some Bitcoin, and I do too. So that's pretty cool. The next thing you're going to want to do is get a crypto wallet. They have a few different ones. They have MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet. I used Coinbase Wallet. It looks like this, and you can find it in your app store. Not Coinbase Wallet. So the next thing you're going to be doing is sending the Ethereum you bought in your crypto exchange into your crypto wallet. Guys, make sure you send enough over to cover the gas fees. The gas fees range anywhere from $30 to $140. Think of the gas fees as kind of like a processing fee when you go to a bar and restaurant. Kind of similar. So now you're ready to buy. You can head over to Opensea.io. Once you open that, if you're on your phone, you'll see in the right top corner, it's three little lines. So you can click those lines and it should say connect wallet. So tap on that and you'll see it says connect with one of our available wallet providers. In my case, I used Coinbase Wallet, as I stated before. So I'm going to go ahead and click Coinbase Wallet. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log in. If you're already logged in, it should just automatically connect. Once you're connected, you'll be able to see your profile, or if you don't already have an account, you can like customize your profile. So once your wallet's connected to your Opensea, you can go ahead and click those top right three little lines again, and you'll see a search bar. You can search whatever project you're interested in. In my case, I'm gonna be searching Chilling Chameleons. These are all really cool. They all have some kind of uniqueness to them. And if you find one you like that you're interested in, you can go ahead and click it and scroll down to properties. Once you go to properties, you can see the percentage of other NFTs that hold some of these same traits and kind of see what makes that particular one stand out from the rest. All right, guys, we finally made it to the best part. We're gonna actually go ahead and buy the NFT. So to go ahead and buy it, you'll see it gives you the buy now option. And then you just make sure that you have that amount plus a little bit more in your wallet. I stress that you need to have a little bit more because those gas fees, they can be high. So click buy now and read the terms of service if you want. I didn't. And then check the box off to agree to the terms. Tap on confirm checkout. It may give you a heads up that the miner fees are high because that's what it did to me. And you can choose to move forward with it by clicking OK. And it should bring up a confirm payment page. There you'll see the gas fees added to the original cost of the NFT. If you're cool with it, click pay. Then you'll get to the best part, a message letting you know that the NFT you just purchased has been confirmed on the blockchain. So the NFT you just purchased is now visible on your Opensea account as well as your wallet. There's a few different ways that you can actually purchase an NFT. This is just what worked for me. Please let us know what kind of videos you want to see in the future, and like, comment, and subscribe if I helped you in any way in this video. Hope to see y'all soon.